All right, let's take a start. It's IELTS speaking part 1. Do you work or study?
Oh, sir, I'm not working currently because I recently I graduated from university, and I am just preparing my documents and other certifications for my further studies.
All right, let's take a start. How do you feel about birds?
Sir, as I am a very good admirer of nature
Admirer.
admirer of nature, and birds are the part of this nature, and they are the very beautiful creation of the God. And sir, actually for me, birds are very beloved nature creation of Allah.
All right. How do people in your country feel about birds?
Well, sir, there are two types of people in my country. Firstly, sir, the people who kept them in the
Who keep
cages,
them?
who keep them in the cages, and they think that they are birds are their pets, and they love them, and they uh, provide them each and every facility. And secondly, sir, there are some people who think that birds should be free in the skies to enhance the beauty of the nature and enhance the beauty of the sky.
All right. Are there many birds near your home?
Well, sir, as I am living recently in model town, so there is a lot of huge park. So, sir, today I was also sitting in that park, and there are a lot of I watched a lot of birds like crows, sparrows, and pigeons. And, sir, basically, as I am from Sindh and the southeastern part of the Sindh, near Tharparkar, so there are also very beautiful birds type known as peacocks.
Okay. Have you seen many different kinds of birds?
Yeah, yes, sir. As I have said that I am living in the metropolitan city of Pakistan, which is Lahore. So I have seen a lot of birds, but common birds. And as I am basically from Sindh, so I have watched some rare types of birds such as albatrosses, which are in the coast of the Badin, and the beautiful peacocks, which are in the
Okay.
desert of the earth.
Do any birds have any particular significance in your country?
Well, sir, I think eagle has a significance that in according to Pakistani people, that it does not hunt or eat dead animal. It hunt live animal.
It hunts. Okay,
Hunts.
just talk about the significance, like the national bird
Achha.
or anything like that. Okay, not like this.
Sorry, sir.
Do you think birds should be protected?
Well, sir, I think birds should be protected, and I think government and NGOs collaborate with each other and take some measures to protect them, because
Thank you.
there are in my country there are a lot of people who hunt them,
Thank you.
and who just keep them in cages. So I think, yes, we have to protect them.
All right. Have you ever raised a pet bird?
Well, sir, in my childhood, I kept a bird, which is parrot, and which was my one of the beloved bird.
All right, one of my favorite birds
Uh,
and all that. Overall, your answers are fine. Somewhere you deviate from the question,
yes.
just try to cover that thing because examiner will immediately interrupt you with another question if you deviate from the question. But otherwise, it's fine. Okay, thank you very
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Thanks a lot.